Did you know that 1 in 7 Indians suffers from a mental health disorder? And according to a study that was carried out in 2017, it showed that around 45 million people in India suffer from anxiety. A huge number, right? Just a reminder that our mental health is such a priority. Hi, I am Dr. Zainab Tajir, a homeopathy consultant and psychological counselor. If you do not follow me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is @RajClinic, where I share a lot about my work and homeopathy and also a lot of other health related information. Definitely you can go and follow me there. So today we are going to talk about health anxiety or hypochondriasis. So what exactly is health anxiety? So health anxiety is a condition in which the person is so obsessed with the idea that they are suffering from a very serious illness such as heart attack, or it can be cancer, brain tumor, etc. And they feel that this disease is so intense that it is going to go undiagnosed. Nobody will be able to detect what their issue is, and eventually they are going to die because of it. They live in this constant fear that even the smallest of symptoms that they are experiencing is related to a very serious condition, and that there is something severely wrong with them. So what really happens is that because of this constant anxiety, they are seeking assurance from everybody around them. Obviously, this assurance makes them feel better for some time, but it is short-lived. Because of this anxiety, it also results into constant visits to doctors, or sometimes they even keep changing their doctors because they feel that the doctor is not able to detect that what they are suffering is a serious problem and that it's not a minor issue. In order to be sure of their symptoms, these people then go on Google and then they try to find out what symptoms related to their particular illness that is in their head looks like. So let's say, for example, they are thinking that they have brain tumor. So they go on the internet to find out what symptoms like that look like, and then they start feeling that they are going through the same symptoms and they mostly have that illness. In fact, surely have that illness. So in their head, they are suffering from that problem. Now, because they are so involved into that disease, their body starts producing those kind of symptoms. So their mind tricks their body into producing symptoms. So let's say they think that they have brain tumor. So they might start experiencing symptoms like headaches and dizziness. And that all the more reinforces their thinking that yes, they have a serious issue. Now this results into a cycle of constantly examining their symptoms. So what these individuals do is that they are constantly examining their body for different symptoms that they are feeling here and there. And this entire thing actually becomes like a vicious cycle where they are experiencing certain symptoms. They go to people for assurance. They go to their doctors who tell them that there is nothing wrong with them. But sometimes they cannot go around convincing themselves that what others are saying is true and they are not suffering from a serious issue. And this anxiety can be very, very exhausting for that person themselves and also for people around them who are constantly trying to assure them that look, you are absolutely okay. So if you are somebody suffering from it, I have a few ways how you can get rid of it. The first thing is realization. Firstly, it is important for you to get the necessary tests done, to get the necessary examinations done, which proves that yes, you do not have any physical problem. And then you need to tell yourself that whatever you are experiencing is because of your anxiety and not because of any grave physical issue that you are facing. The second thing that helps is mindfulness meditation. So 15 minutes of meditation every single day gives you the opportunity to sit with those symptoms that you are experiencing. So that kind of reduces your awkwardness around symptoms and gives you the opportunity to try and experience all the symptoms and get used to them so that it does not feel something new every time something you experience in your body. The third thing is cognitive behavioral therapy. Now, cognitive behavioral therapy is usually a psychotherapy that is performed by a trained therapist or counselor. So in this, usually they try to change your way of thinking and behavioral pattern by challenging your thoughts with facts. So this actually gives you an opportunity to reason everything that you are experiencing and makes positive thinking more approachable. And the last thing that can definitely help you is homeopathy. Homeopathy has proven to be very effective in treating anxiety time and again. Being a homeopath and a counselor myself, I have seen people with health anxiety who have been suffering since so long, but with medications eventually and obviously some form of counseling, they do get better with time and can get rid of it. I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any other additional questions, you can definitely leave them down in the comment section below, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.